Using timetables is relatively straightforward. It does need you to do some adding or subtracting though, so you might need a piece of paper to help you with that part of it. Timetables work like this. They normally give you a list of places. Here we have a list of places, and they give you the times that the train or bus or coach gets to those places. So in the morning at 6:51 it gets to Cambridge, and then a little bit later it gets to these different places, and the last place it gets to is Trinity at 10:05. Okay? This question is quite an easy question. The first couple always are. What time does the train get to Davidson? Okay, so we look for Davidson. There it is. It gets to Davidson at 8:36. So that's just a straightforward reading activity. This is just reading, and the second one's probably reading as well. What time does the train get to Holden? It gets to Holden at 6:20. So the first couple are very easy. They're just getting you used to finding the places and looking across at the times. Okay. Then it asks you how long does it take to go from Richmond to Davidson. So this is where you've got to do a little bit of maths. It gets to Richmond at 5:09 and it gets to Davidson at 5:19. How long did it take to get from there to there? Well, it was 5 hours and 9 minutes, and then it's now 5 hours and 19 minutes. So it's 10 minutes more, okay? Because 9 plus 10 is 19. So you need to find out how long it's taken to get to the next place. 10 minutes for that one. It gets a little bit harder as they get a bit further apart. Now we've got hours and minutes, okay? How long to go from Richmond to Quedale? Here's Richmond, 3:49. And it doesn't get to Quedale until 5:02. So we need to work out the difference between those two times. The way I like to do it is I like to do the hours and then the minutes, okay? So from 3:49, it's going to be 1 hour to get to 4:49. So 1 hour later is 4:49. So that's the 1 hour part. And then how many minutes to get from 49 to 02? And hopefully in year 5 you know that there are 60 minutes in an hour. So I'm just going to count up 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay, so that's 11 minutes to get to 60, and then 2 more minutes to get to 02. So it's 1 hour and 13 minutes, because it was 11 minutes to get to the next hour, and then 2 more minutes after that, 11, 12, 13. Okay, let's do one more. How long does it take to go from Davidson to Fogg's Gap? Here's Davidson, here's Fogg's Gap. It gets Davidson at 8:29. So another hour later is 9:29, just after it's left Quedale. So that's 1 hour, 9:29. And then I've got to get all the way up to 9:45. So again, I can use my fingers if I want, or if I know what the difference is between 29 and 45, I can do it in my head. I'm going to go 29, 30, that's 1, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So that's 10. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 10 and 6 was 16. So it's 1 hour and 16 minutes. Okay? I just counted them on my fingers and wrote them down.